What's up, guys? Just on the adventure still. We're gonna go get some lunch, but I just went to the best car wash ever and it was amazing for the price. So I just wanted to let you guys know. After the car wash, I kept hearing something in my tire, and somehow this flashlight with a magnet on the back was stuck up into my wheel well, and I don't know where it came from. I was like, what happened? I damaged it, I don't know. But car wash was awesome. It's in Millsboro, Kentucky, and it's literally called Car Wash. It's rated high. I recommend it if you're in the area. But I'm gonna hold on to this because it's an icon, and maybe I can exchange it because I think they have a lifetime warranty. I'm not 100% sure, but I just wanted to let you know. I don't know how this got in my tire, but it was crazy. But I'll see ya when we're over there eating. All right, guys. If you haven't had Crystals, I'm trying it for the first time. Got the fries, got the 2 Crystals, and I got the sweet tea. Sweet tea. It's good. Very, very, very sweet, but it's good. The Crystals kind of tastes like a White Castle's if you have a White Castle's. More crispier bun, and it comes with mustard, and the onions are really crispy. The fries are definitely a plus. The Crystals are also good. No mustard for me, or pickle. But yeah, there's the review. Really good. First time having it. I like it. Give it a try if you're in your area. Because I don't have a Crystals for where I'm at. I got a White Castle's instead. But yeah, that's that. And we'll see what else we can get into today. Alright, guys, we're doing a 2-mile fitness trail loop. Never done this fitness trail yet, but I'll take you along with us. This is what the trail looks like. Looks like it's going uphill from this direction anyways. You could start on the other end, but I'm starting on this end, so we're going up. It's a nice hike out here, that's for sure. Nice mountains, wilderness. Never know what you can get into out here. I recommend coming out to the mountains and checking out some of these trails. They're amazing. Hey guys, we're back. Just caught a deer drinking some water out of the creek. Still on our hike here. Just thought I'd show you. Oh look, it's a baby. Bambi. I didn't see that there. That's awesome. They're just drinking their water. Here's a better view for you guys. See if it makes it up the hill. I don't know, it's trying to find a way. Go on. It's waiting for it. It just can't find out how to get up. It's like, I'm not getting out of the water yet, Mom. Oh, it's taking a swim.
Where did the other one go?
Deep part of the water there. The other one's up top waiting for it. He's just taking his time like, I'm coming. Oh, it's struggling there. It's getting there. I think it made it. Well guys, I'm back and we're at the nature center. Got one back there and back there. We just came from the gift shop. We're gonna go to a little, I call it a small little village where they show you around and talk to you and stuff. Not sure if you can go in. Back in the day stuff. cabin and all that. Just take a look at the view though. Beautiful. Pretty cool out here. We are now going back to the fort. Fort closes at 5 p.m. according to that sign right there. So I'm going to take you back there and show you these forts. Alright, we're back into the fort area. Stunning view as always. Let's just see what we can get into. We're in our first little cabin. It smells like back then the fire burning. I smell it. It's awesome. Got the bed. That's pretty cool.
Yep. So historically,
check this out.
But today we only just have the one.
Got their, like, I guess it's a storage shed maybe from back then. Got the axe, which is awesome. Got the barrels. This is their little gun hole where they stick their barrels out of. And then your animal skin with storage up there. This looks like a blacksmithing area. Their tools right here in the fire. It's pretty cool. Your knives.
I was trying to draw the wagon and I'm sitting here and I was looking at the picture I did and I'm like, yeah, no.
Pretty awesome.
I did this.
Alright guys, they have a musket barrel on there. And I asked him if he could shoot it for us. He's gonna go get the safety officer and see if we can shoot it. And then right over there we got some sheep. And we got more stuff back there as well.
We can get this forge hot to about 2,500 degrees, and that's if we're melting brass or doing any kind of industrial work. Making a knife though, you're probably going to get it to about 2,000 degrees.
After I give the command fire in the hole, I'll shoot my firearm.
Okay.
Fire in the hole!
That's awesome.
That's pretty loud.
Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. The adventures will continue. I did get another glass of sweet tea from the coffee tea shop in the Gap, so I'll see y'all next time. Until next time guys, peace.